What's up, folks? Welcome back to the garage. I already took my tool cart here. 145 is ready there. I cleaned the table and I have spare parts and tools actually quite ready, I hope. The summer meet, Volvo summer meet and track events are coming, so I have to fix the brakes. If you have watched my MOT video about the 145, you know that I had some issues with the brake. The brakes they break even and it passed the MOT, but it's very hard, you have to push a lot. So I think my brake booster is not working. I have one old spare part, so I will try that, but before that we will take out the old one and we will compare them, and then I hope that I can fix the problem with the spare, but I will show you closer. In this 145 the booster is here. It takes the vacuum from intake manifold, and inside this tube is a rod. Actually I can show you. I have the spare part here. There's the tube and this rod goes inside, and this is connected to brake pedal, and it push this rod in and then it push this rod out here, and there is some kind of system inside. Sorry, I can't open it, so I can't show it. Then that rod, you can see there's the place for the vacuum hose, and then the rod pushes the main cylinder and the main cylinder pushes the brake fluid into the system. So my plan is now to remove the booster without opening the brake lines, because in these old Volvos sometimes bleeding the brakes might be a little bit difficult. So I will try to do it as easy way as possible. My plan is I will first take the pin out. There's a poor lighting at the moment, but the pin from the brake pedal, I will remove it first. I will show you that later. Then I probably will open these nuts, both nuts, those. I will remove the hose, and then I will open those bolts, 4 bolts, and maybe I have to also open these 4 nuts, but I will try to remove those 6 first, because I want to do it as simple way as possible. Because I don't remember how much these will move this way when I'm open those nuts, so it might be a very tight fit, but I will do my best, and after that we will test that spare one and that if they feels any way different. So I hope we can fix the problem with that brake booster. Yeah, I managed to get it out quite easily. I have put the starter's wiring so that it was holding the tube. Then when I remove this wire bracket, this came loose, so it was quite easy to take out. I think they seems quite similar. Tubing is I think just the same, but just to make sure, I will only change the booster. I will keep the bracket, original bracket, and the tubing just in case, so I will just change the booster. I manually try to compare these two. They feel almost the same, so there's no big difference. So only way to test it for sure is to put this on and test it. I hope it will work. Soon we will know more. Well, it's been like 2 days from the last clip and I'm back in garage. I have been reading some Volvo forums about the brake boosters, and I can say that at least here in Finland, quite many 140 drivers, they are driving with the brake booster with the broken booster. There's a film inside the booster, and it quite easily breaks. And after that, you have to push harder the brakes. The brakes are working. Like if you have watched my earlier videos, you know that I just passed MOT with my 145 with the broken brake booster. The brakes are working, but you just have to use a little bit more power. And my plan was to change this spare one from my 142, but now I pump into some problems. I will move the camera closer and I will explain. So this one was in. When I'm pressing the piston or pressing the brake, you can see that the piston goes in. I am not able to say by the voice or the noise if the film is broken, but as you can see, the piston goes in without no problem. And then I will take my spare part and check this. Nothing happens. The piston hits something, but when I'm doing like this, just a sec, I will find the spot like there, and now it works. But when I'm letting it up, it hits something again and goes down now. But it's too dangerous to use this because you never know when the piston hits something and the brake doesn't work. So I don't remember, is this actually originally from this 145? Have I changed it already? But now I just have marked this, that this is not working as it should. Maybe in some videos we might even open this for education purposes, because it's not working. So it's worth of nothing. So next my plan is to clean this old one and put it back, because the track day is coming in 2 weeks, I think. So we are in little hurry. Brakes are working. I just will drive this summer without a brake booster, not a problem. Maybe I will drive even the next 5 or 10 years without the booster. You never know. But I better start working. Now the brake booster is back on like it was. This is a good example for using your time not valuably for nothing. Next time I will check my part, the booster, before I remove the old one. That would have been wise thing to do, but I didn't do. But now I have checked it. Car is ready for track day. What comes to brakes works, no problem at all. I put the pin in brake pedal and the brake feels actually quite good. No need to adjust anything. Perfect. It's not, the brake booster is just not working, so not big deal. Next plan is to open the engine, put the new cam and everything in. Before that I will do a small project with the 940, but I have a tight schedule before the big summer meet, Volvo Club meet here in Finland. I want to put the new cam before that because I'm driving on the track. But hey, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, comments down below. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, now is the perfect time to do that, and also ring the bell. Thanks for watching. See you soon.